good people. We ride, slide, and glide.
You know, we had to take the tea on the go.
Yeah, y'all know how that goes. But we headed into town right now. Go and do a little shopping, and we'll
My
be
favorite
back.
kind of shopping, guys.
Food.
Guys, so Denzel went to our first stop, which is Dollar General, because Amina is sleeping, so obviously we don't want to wake her up. We don't want to get her out. I don't know why I can't see the camera, but yeah, I am so hungry. He is so hype about all of this stuff that I'm like, all right, I know you're hype. I'm hype too, but bitch, I'm hungry. If he hears me call him bitch, he's gonna kill me. But whatever, not really. But I didn't mean bitch, but damn, my glow. Ooh boy. Look at this luscious hair.
All right, good people. We in town now. About to make our second stop, which is Chick-fil-A and then TJ Maxx. Yeah, that's what it's called. One of those.
But yeah, guys, I feel like
Yep, we just made it back.
yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys. It's nice out here.
Yeah, it feels great out here.
Our backyard.
Yeah, that's our backyard. But yeah, we just want to let y'all know we made it back. About the
What we're gonna do? Oh yeah, we're gonna do the pork chop. He's gonna record me while I marinate the pork chop that we're gonna have later in the air fryer.
Yep, and chop up a few vegetables and yeah, we're gonna take y'all through the process.
So stay tuned, guys. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having an amazing Saturday. It's definitely been a day filled with events for us. We're very busy.
Yep. All right, stay tuned.